It is now my absolute pleasure to introduce the Mayor of Woodbridge, Mayor John McCormick, Mayor Mack.
Thank you very much. There's no telling what will happen if Woodbridge and Edison work together. Tom and I are good friends, but finally, both politically and operationally, our two towns are in sync, and we should run the county, if not the state, between these two great towns. I want to thank Caroline, who came to see me a little over a year ago about some projects in Ross Street School. She adopted the school, has done great things there with the kids and trips, and over the summer, I can't tell you what she means to our school system. We have a couple of our principals here, Kimberly Hahn, formerly of Ross Street School, now of Oak Ridge Heights School, and Stephanie West from School 25 and 4. Thank you, ladies. We also have Dan Harris from our Board of Ed. I want to thank Peter Vishelia for his host here. Peter's a great corporate citizen. I wish there was more of Raritan Center in Woodbridge than Edison, but we love Peter. We love what he does for our town. He adopted Ross Street School. I can't tell you what he's done there in terms of an investment. So thank you very much. I'd love to run, but I'm only a year away from knee surgery, so now I run only once every 4 years. Thank you.